straight to the point. We have a car charger, the remote control monitor hood, put that back there, our 120 gigabyte SD card, our ND filters, I totally forgot we got those, and I am so pumped for this. This is dope. I'm gonna guess these are the propellers. Looks like it. Yes. Quick start guide. That appears to be it. So this is a soft carrying case. Comes with some literature. Got a side handle. Front pocket to store items. I guess you can put your ND filters. This is such a great feeling. I have been wanting one for so long, and now we finally have one. Here's the remote. Dude, this is next level. Dog. So this just sits in there. We have a battery, a charging cable it looks like, and another battery. There's gotta be the thumb joysticks. That's cool. They store inside the controller. So right now these two show A and B. On the Air Mavic 2, it also has stickers that say A and B in the same color that they are labeled on these bags. Please charge to activate the battery before using for the first time. We ended up picking up the Fly More combo, which gives you the additional batteries, and then we also picked up the remote control hood. That way it prevents any glare when we're out and about, as well as the car charger so we can charge when we're out on the road. How does this go? So the battery. Then these go down. That's so dope. And we have our drone. So when you're attaching the hood, you want the gloss side out. And then now you have the ability to mount your phone. Plug it into your phone. That's plugged in. And then you're gonna grab the hood. And then you're going to attach it, and now you can fly around. If the top of the hood is in the way where you can't see it, you can attach the Velcro to the back, and now it gives you a little bit more line of sight. I wanted to go ahead and unbox and show you all some exciting things are in the works. It's gonna bring so much more range to our videos, as well as the opportunity to utilize this for the photography business. We've been getting into the real estate photography, and this is gonna help us remain competitive. And that's gonna do it for the video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit that like button. If you found any value from it, hit that subscribe button while you're there. Fly on over and hit that bell to be notified of any future videos when they drop, as soon as they drop. Until the next time, appreciate y'all. Cheers. Ride safe. There y'all.